Hello again, this is Tomer from Reliable Garage Door Services. Today we're replacing a door. It's a 16 by 7 insulated door. What happened here is actually a great example to why you shouldn't use a garage if your spring is broke. As you can see, the garage door is completely broke over here on that side too. Over here too. And this door is really dangerous. I wouldn't recommend anyone to use it. We're also going to replace this garage door opener. It's really old. I'm going to put in a LiftMaster chain drive opener. The door barely want to go down, but I'll show you that over here you can look that the spring is broke. It's probably been broken for a while. Just the owner just didn't know what was going on and kept on using the door. So if your door is not functioning properly, stop using it, call someone, because then you ending up with replacing your whole door. A lot more damage. So we're gonna put those two sections on, and after that we're gonna replace that old opener. And now we are moving on to the opener. We have an old garage door opener by Legacy. Overhead garage doors. We're gonna remove that. We're gonna put a LiftMaster and chain drive, and that's about it. I'm gonna show you how it looks in a little bit. We're installing the LiftMaster 8355 267. It's a belt drive with a Wi-Fi option, garage door opener. And the garage we have today, it's not a new house. It's a fairly new house, but it's been here for a few years, and just there was never a garage door opener that was installed. Garage door opener is in good shape. It just doesn't have an opener. So what we're gonna do, so we're gonna put in a mount, a bracket. So the garage door opener is gonna sit right over here. We already have wiring ready and an electric socket. Okay, we're gonna bring a rail connected to the door and put some sensors on the side, and then that's it. The other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna replace those rollers. Those are metal rollers. Usually houses that built by contractors, they put metal rollers to save on the cost. We're gonna switch them out today to silicone rollers with 10 balls that are shock absorbent, and that's about it. So we're about to get started, and it's gonna be nice. There, the head is mounted, and the rail is also in place. What we have left to do is to install the sensors on the side. Wall button is already there. We just have to do the wiring, and we're almost done. We're all done. We have our LiftMaster belt drive with the Wi-Fi option. Everything is set, is in all place. All the wiring is in place. And this belt drive operator have a Wi-Fi option, which means that you can control your garage door through your phone. You can open and close it and know when it's open and when it's closed, even when you're not home. Everything is in place. Sensors are in place. We have one on each side. We also went ahead and we did something nice for this lady, and we replaced her rollers, no charge. We put a 10-ball silicone rollers, have shock absorbent compared to the one she had before, which are those. Those are made out of steel, no shock absorbent whatsoever. So we put new ones. We have our wall pad over here, and let me show you how nice does it work. Nice and quiet, nice and smooth. The rollers make a lot of difference, guys. So, you know, if a garage door technician comes over to your house and he wants to replace your rollers, let him. I'll say after 4 or 5 years of the door running, replace your rollers. We have a keypad mounted outside, keyless entry. And that's it. We have another happy customer. Thank you for watching Reliable Garage Doors. See you next time.
Thank you, Reliable Garage Door Services. You were great. Bye.